Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, then you need to scroll down and select Sound and Notification. Over here, click on Sound Profile, and if you wish to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations, tap on Vibrate. If you wish to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls, tap on Vibrate over here. Then scroll down and tap on Vibrate on Touch. This way you can enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!